Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock a hidden NordVPN deal that most people miss. And trust me, this one won't last forever. If you've been thinking about getting a VPN but don't want to overpay, you're in the right place. With the special NordVPN discount code linked in the description, you'll access a private deal that offers massive savings. No extra searching, no fake promo codes, and no waiting. Just click the first link in the description below and it'll take you straight to a hidden NordVPN offer page where the maximum discount is already applied. No code entry required. The best deal is ready and waiting. Now, let's talk about what you get. At the time I'm recording this, you can get NordVPN for as low as $3.39 per month. That's a huge discount, and it applies to their most popular plan. You can also upgrade for just a little more and unlock some powerful extras. Here's how it breaks down. The basic plan gives you everything you need for secure, private browsing. Access to NordVPN's entire global network, high-speed servers, strong encryption, and threat protection to block malicious sites and trackers. It's ideal if you want simple, reliable online privacy. The Plus plan includes everything in Basic, plus a few powerful additions. Threat Protection Pro, which protects your device even when the VPN is off, and NordPass, a secure password manager that also includes a data breach scanner to warn you if your info is ever leaked. And the Complete plan gives you the full package. You'll get everything I just mentioned, plus 1 terabyte of encrypted cloud storage with NordLocker, so you can safely back up your sensitive files and access them from anywhere. Totally protected. No matter which plan you choose, NordVPN gives you a strict no-logs policy, protection for up to 10 devices at the same time, easy-to-use apps for every major platform, 24/7 live support if you ever need help, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. So there's absolutely no risk in trying it out. The sign-up process is quick and easy. You can pay with a credit card, PayPal, or even cryptocurrency. Just pick your plan, complete checkout, and you'll be able to install NordVPN in under a minute. And once you're set up, don't forget to watch the step-by-step tutorial linked in the description. I'll show you how to get started, connect to the fastest servers, and enable features like threat protection or double VPN for added security. But here's the thing. This hidden deal won't be around forever. NordVPN changes their promos regularly, and this offer could disappear at any time. So if you're serious about protecting your privacy, now's the time to act. Click the link below, grab the discount while it's still live, and take the first step towards safer internet browsing. Thanks for watching and enjoy your NordVPN savings.